Another type of multiplication problem you can solve is called missing factor problems. So this is where instead of trying to find the answer to the multiplication equation, one of the factors in the equation is missing. So to look at this, we're going to use the equation blank times 5 equals 15. So instead of trying to find the answer, we're going to try to see what this missing factor is. So we know that the second number that you're multiplying by is 5. This means that there are groups of 5, but we don't know how many groups there are. So we're going to skip count by 5 to see how many groups there are until we get to 15. So we're going to skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. We got to 15, which is the answer to the equation. And we skip counted 3 times. This means there are 3 groups of 5. That means the missing factor in this equation is 3. So 3 times 5 equals 15.